Welcome back to Kids Learning Express. Today we are going to see story sums. இதுவும் பிஃபோராக நம்ம பார்த்தது வந்து சப்ட்ராக்ஷனில் அடிஷன் ஸ்டோரி சம் பார்த்தோம். இப்போது சப்ட்ராக்ஷன் ஸ்டோரி சம் பார்க்க போகிறோம். வாங்க ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ் வீடியோக்குள்ளே போகலாம். Ria has 6 toys. She gave 2 toys to her sister. How many toys are left? So how you people will find this is a subtraction sum, this is a addition sum, that you should know, no? So I told you addition means how many all together means addition. So how many are left, how many toys are left? So these are all the keywords. Okay, how many are left? These keywords, how many she has left over, this thing remaining, these things are subtraction keywords. Okay, so Ria has 6 toys, right? Okay, 6 toys. 2 toys to she gave 2 toys to her sister okay. Gave to sister 2. So already they are given, so it is 2 has gone, it means we have to subtraction. So usually in addition we will see big number in the mind and small number in the hand we will see. So this is the basic, no? So I am going to draw a line. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, the down number is number 2, so I am going to cut 2 numbers. Okay, 1 and 2. The remaining number, no, so I am going to add and write it here. Okay, 1 2 3 4. So 4 is the answer. Okay, so Ria has 6 toys and she gave 2 toys to her sister. Then remaining toys with Ria is 4 toys is remaining. Okay, if you have any doubt means you can ask. Sorry friends, mobile was filled. Okay, so if you have any doubt means you can ask me, so I will clarify with your doubt in comment box. Okay, next we'll go to the another sum. Ram has 7 apples. He ate 2 apples. How many apple has he now? So Ram has 7 apple. See, Ram has 7 apples. So I'm writing as 7. Okay, he ate 2 apple, so I am writing here 2. Okay, so I am going to draw 7 lines. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay children, so the down number is 2, so I am going to cut 2, 1 and 2. The remaining is the answer, 1 2 3 4 5. So the 5 is the answer. So Ram has 7 apple. He ate 2 apple. How many apple he has? Okay, now he has 5 remaining. He has 5 apple. Okay friends, next we will see one more sum. There are 9 birds on a tree. 4 of them away. How many birds are left on the tree? Okay, see total birds are 9. Okay, see 4 of them fly away, so I'm writing here 4. So I'm going to draw a line. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So the down number is 4. 1 2 3 4. I'm going to cut the 4. 1 2 3 4 5. So 5 is the answer. The leftover bird on the tree, the leftover birds on the tree is 5. Okay, the 5 is the answer. So next we will see one more sum also. I have 7 eggs. 3 of them are broken. How many are left? So this is also subtraction sum. So okay, total eggs. So total eggs 7. Broken, how many are broken? 3. So now what is the answer? Let me see. Okay, I'm going to draw 7 line. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. The down number is 3. 1 2 3. I'm going to cut 1 2 3 4. So 4. Okay, remaining unbroken eggs are 4. Okay, unbroken eggs are remaining 4 eggs. Okay, thank you for watching this video, friends. If you have any doubt, please ask me in comments. Subscribe my channel, like my channel, comment my channel. Okay, share with your friends. Okay friends, thank you for watching this video.